Hi! In front of me is Honor 70 and today I would like to show you how you can install and then apply iOS Launcher on this Honor smartphone. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in iOS Launcher. Now you need to get this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, select Open. Now select while using the app and allow in the pop-ups. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and click on Home button. Then go into Settings. In Settings, you need to look for Apps section. Click on it and select Default Apps. Now click on Home app, tap on iOS Launcher and click on OK. Lastly, select Got it, and as you can see after that, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Honor smartphone. If you wish to switch between your layouts, you can always go into the same settings and click on Honor Home or iOS Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!